It's the weirdest thing. I'm sure there's two things completely unrelated. I got a weird email saying we attempted to Google you won't see blah blah blah. And I told Leslie, and she said, my husband said the message to my phone. Why don't you have a conversation delivered tomorrow? I said, I haven't. But I got this weird
yeah, same thing. You got enough hands for the rest of your
I went to, it was supposed to be Christmas Day at the gallery, but Caroline's dad got cancer, I kind of like pushed it and I said, you know what, Christmas Day would be my day. I'd also like to ask, you might have to ask the gallery, you know what? They say, Dad, oh, you're not well, on Christmas board, and you got going to her mum and dad on Christmas morning as well. So we done that. Christmas morning, I said to my dad, I said, let's have breakfast at night, and you, so we can get down here,